Visual voicemail on iPhone with Cricket Wireless allows you to see a list of your voicemails, play them in any order, and even read transcriptions. First, ensure you have an active Cricket Wireless SIM card and a compatible iPhone 6S or later, with a stable cellular connection. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab in the bottom right corner. If you haven't set it up before, you'll see a Set Up Now button. Tap it and follow the on-screen prompts to create a voicemail password and record a greeting. In most cases, Cricket automatically configures visual voicemail. After successful setup, your voicemails will appear in a list within the phone app, where you can view the list, play messages in any order, and read transcriptions. This section covers troubleshooting common setup issues and exploring advanced features of visual voicemail on your Cricket Wireless iPhone. If you encounter issues setting up visual voicemail, try resetting your iPhone's network settings. Go to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. If resetting network settings doesn't resolve the issue, contact Cricket Support at 1-800-CRICKET for assistance. Once set up, Visual Voicemail offers advanced features like voicemail transcription, available on iOS 18 and later. This allows you to read your voicemails as text. You can share these transcriptions via iMessage. For optimal performance, keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version and ensure a strong cellular connection, as transcription relies on AI processing. Visual Voicemail integrates seamlessly with Siri, allowing hands-free access to your messages.